So, my dear student, here some practice questions we are taking from chapter number 3. Okay, so some different questions which are quite important for examination purpose also and for enhancing your knowledge also. So let's see. First of all, first question I'm putting in front of you. The question is here in front of your screen. You can see. Solve the pair of equations. First, 2x plus 3 by y equal to 13. Second linear equation is 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. Where the condition is x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. Fine. So, how to go with that? Okay. So, first of all, let's start with the solution. For the solution of this type of question, we know that we have to assume something. So for let 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v, we are assuming. Right? So the equation will become, if I am assuming u and v for that, then mine will having equation 2u plus 3v equal to 13. Yu minus 4v equal to minus 2. Now this will become my first equation. Let me call this is equation number 2. Now very simple. Now we can apply elimination method here. As you know, this we need to multiply by 4 and this equation I need to multiply by 3. So I need to mention multiplying equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. Fine. So what will be the result? If I multiply the first equation by 4, 4 2 cha 8, 3 4 cha 12, 13 4 cha 15. Same thing is here. Now second equation I am multiplying with 3, 5 3 cha 15, 4 3 cha 12 and 2 3 cha 6. Right? So this will become our 3 and 4, 2 more equations with us. Let's simplify. Now we can eliminate plus 12v minus 12v. So 15 plus 8, 23u equal to 52 minus 6 is 46 plus positive. Fine. So let's see the next step. What will be the next step? So my dear student, here next step will be 23. This is in continuation. Question is in continuation. So we have seen here 23u equal to, we are gaining 46. Therefore, u equal to 46 divided by 23. Therefore, the value of u we know 23 to the 46. So the value of u we are gaining 2. So one of the variable which we have assumed its the value is 2. Now we are having these two equations. Okay, 1 and 2. For this, we are putting the value of u in any one of the equation. So I need to mention here putting the value of u equal to 2 in equation number 1. Fine. In this equation, I am going to put the value. So see how to go with that. So my dear student, here equation is 2u plus 3v equal to 13. In place of u, I am putting the value that is 2. So let's find what is the value of v coming. 2 to the 4. As 4 I am bringing to this side. So it is 13 minus 4. Therefore, equal to 9. Therefore, v equal to 10 by 3. V equal to 3 we are getting. So dear student, here u equal to 2 and v equal to 3 we are gaining. But this is not a required result because we have to find two unknown variables x and y. So let's put this value of u and v in as where we have assumed the value of x and y. So, my dear student, the question is in continuation. Finally, the value of u equal to 2 and v equal to 3 with us. Now, as we know, we have assumed x equal to 1 upon u. Therefore, x equal to 1 upon, sorry, we have assumed u equal to 1 upon x. So, we need to write u equal to 1 upon or 1 upon x equal to u, the same thing. So I am mentioning 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v. Therefore, I am putting the value of u here, that is 2. Therefore, 1 upon x equal to 2, then cross multiplication, then x will be 2. And here 1 upon y equal to v. So 1 upon y equal to 3. Therefore, y equal to, it will become 1, y equal to, this will become 1 upon 2. Sorry, I am correcting here, it's my mistake. X equal to, this is 2, so it will be 1/2 here. So dear student, you also correct. Here y equal to 1 upon 3. Now it's absolutely correct. So final answer, the value of x equal to 1/2 and y equal to 1. Cross multiplication we have done. So this is the solution. So my dear student, here one more question. It's the question is on your screen, that is solve the equation. That is first equation we are given is 2 upon root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. So dear student, let's see how to do. So let's start with the solution. First, what we have to assume, let's see. Let 1 upon root x. Let 1 upon root x, for that I am assuming u, and 1 upon root y, for that I am assuming v. The assumption is very important. Now according to our assumption, the first equation will become 2u plus 3v equal to 2. And next equation 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Clear to you? Let me call this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Clear to you? So my dear student, now the equation is in linear form, so it's very easy to apply elimination method. For that, here it is already in opposite sign, so let me eliminate v. If I want to eliminate v, then I need to multiply first equation with 3 and second equation with 1. Because 3 3 are 9, 9 1 are 9. So I need to mention that also. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1. Yes, it's quite easy. So let's move with that. The next step will be, then if I multiply this with 2, then I will have 3 2 cha 6u, 3 3 cha 9v, 2 3 cha 6. Okay, once again 2 3 cha 6, 3 3 cha 9v, 2 3 cha 6. And of course this is with 1, so it will remain same. No such a changes. So dear student, here we know this is eliminating. Here 6 plus 4 10u, 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore u equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 it indicated 1/2. So the value of u we got is u equal to 1/2. Okay. Now this value of u we are going to put it in this equation. Okay. In the first equation. So let's see what will be the value of v we are gaining. So my dear student, the value of u we got 1/2. Clear? So this value we are going to put. Okay, putting the value of u equal to 1/2 in equation number 1. Any one of the equation we can put. So I am choosing here first equation. So our first equation was, we have already written, that was 2u plus 3v equal to 2. Fine. Now in this we are going to substitute the value of u. Fine. So dear student, here 2 in bracket the value of u is 1/2. Here 3v equal to 2. Here. So let's multiply. Sorry. 2 into 1/2, there is product sign between them, so 2 will be cancelled, so 1 will be left only. So 1 plus 3v equal to 2. Therefore 3v equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore 3v equal to 1. Therefore value of v equal to 1 upon 3. Fine. So dear student, this is the value of v, that is 1 by 3. Finally, we got the value of u and v. But again, I am telling, this is not our final answer, as according to the question, what we have assumed, we have to put the value of u and v in that equation, in that assumption. So my dear student, here u equal to 1/2 and v equal to 1/3 we get. Now, as we have, after gaining the value of u and we have assumed 1 upon root x equal to u. Now what I am going to do, I am substituting the value of u 1/2 here. Fine. So if it is 1/2, then cross multiplication, so root x equal to 2 here. So what will be the value of x? X this side, so this square root will become square to this side. So we know that 2 square is 2 2 4. 2 into 2 4. And same thing is here. 1 upon root y, that is equal to 1/3. Therefore under root y equal to 3. Cross multiplication. So y equal to 3 square. Therefore this square root will go to this side, so it will become square. So we know 3 square will be 3 into 3, 9. So the final answer, as we want to find the variable value, that is x equal to 4 and y equal to 9, that is the solution of these two given linear equations. So one more question is in front of you. Let's see how to solve. Question, it's the equation we are given, 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, and another equation is 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. So my dear student, here you can see, we can assume 6x plus 3y equal to 6 we are given, then it's easy to do, right? But along with this xy, what to do with that? Okay, so if you remember the same type of question we have studied in exercise 3.6. So in such a type of question, we need to divide each and every equation by xy. Same thing is here for this equation also. Divide the equation with xy. Fine. This is the technique. Okay. This technique you keep it in your mind. Don't forget it. Each and every question we are dividing by x by y. So my dear student, here you can see on your screen, as we have divided each and every term of first equation and second equation with xy. So x cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. Here x cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. Then what is left? Observe carefully. We are having 6 by y, 3 upon x, and equal to 6 left. Okay. Now another equation, 2 by y, then 4 by x, and then here 5 left. Now this is also not in a linear form. That is not again in a linear equation form. So what we have to do? In such a case, again we need to convert them into linear equation. So let 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v. Therefore, this 1 upon x equal to u, for this I am assuming u. So first it is v. So I need to mention 6v plus u equal to 6 and 2v plus 4u equal to 5. This is now they are in the linear form. You can see. So what to do? Let me call this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Fine. Now we know that we need to multiply. If I want to eliminate v here, then I need to multiply first equation with 1 and second equation with 3. Fine. So, dear student, I need to write multiplying equation number 1 by 1 and equation number 2 by, it's understood, okay? Equation number, this we are multiplying by 3. So, what will be the result? Two equations which we will gain. Let's see. So, my dear student, we are going to multiply first equation with 1. So, it will remain same as you know. So, first equation will be 6v plus u equal to 6. Right? And second equation will be multiplying by 3. As we have mentioned here, equation 2 by 3. So, 3 2 ja, 6v, 4 3 ja, value, and of course 5 3 ja, 15. And this newly formed equation, so you can say this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Now you observe, if we want to eliminate 6v but both of their sign is similar, positive. So here we need to subtract, and as we know, we need to subtract, then we need to change the sign. So dear student, this 6v minus 6v will be cancelled. What is left then? Plus 3 minus 12. Plus 3 minus 12 gives the result minus 9. 6 minus 15 is again minus 9. Both of the side 9 cancel. Sorry, minus cancel. So it will become 9 by 9. So as you know, that is u equal to 1. The value of u we got. Now any one of this equation, we can put the value of u. And let's see what will be the result. Now substituting the value of u equal to 1 in equation number 1. Our equation is this: 6v plus 3u equal to 6. Clear? Now in this equation, in place of v, we want to find the value of v, so let it be, in place of u, I am writing 1 here. Fine. So if it is 1, then of course 6v will be 6. 3 1 ja 3 will become minus 3 that side. As we know, 6 minus 3 will be 3. Fine. So next step I am doing it here. So what will be the value of v? V will be 3 upon this 6 is in multiplication. So 3 by 6. So of course the value of v will be 1/2. Okay. So the value of u is coming 1 and the value of v equal to 1/2. But this is not the solution, as we want the solution in x and y form according to the question. So let's see how to do further steps. So my dear student, the value of u equal to 1 and v equal to 1/2 we got. Now let's think about our assumption. If you remember nicely, we have assumed 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon v equal to y. 1 upon y equal to, sorry. So dear student, I am putting the value here. 1 upon x is as it is, equal to 1 here. Therefore, 1 upon x equal to 1. So x will be 1 by 1. So it will be 1. And same thing is here. 1 upon y. Here the value of v we got 1/2. Now after cross multiplication, the value of y we will get, that is 2. Y equal to 2. So dear student, the solution of the given two linear equation is 1, 2. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Quite easy. One more question of the same chapter is in front of you. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. And 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. This is the question. So let's begin solution. For that we will assume, let 1 upon x plus y, that is equal to a. Small a I am considering this time. And 1 upon 3x minus y I am considering b. So dear student, if this is a and this is b, then the equation will become a plus b equal to 3 by 4. What about the another equation? It will become a by 2 because of this 2 minus 1 by 2 is here. So that will become b by 2 equal to minus 1 by 8. Fine. So as we know that, let's make them, let's simplify. So here 4 is the LCM. It will be multiplied with here. So it will become 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Let me call this is equation 1. What I have done? 4a plus 4b equal to 3. Now here 2, 2 and 8. What will be the LCM of 2, 2 and 8? It will be 8. LCM of 2, 2, 8 and this is 4, 2 ja 8, 8, 1 ja 8. So here it is 4 into a, 4a, 4 into b, 4b, and of course here it is minus 1. Let me call this is equation number 2. Fine. Now we can apply elimination method for both of this equation. Here the equation is ready, you can see, because plus 4b minus 4b opposite sign can be eliminated. 4a plus 4a gives the result 8a. So here I have 8a. 3 minus 1 is of course 2. So what will be a? Therefore the a value of a I am writing here. Therefore the value of a will be 2 upon 8. You know this 8 will be in denominator. So finally I can say the value of a will be 1 by 4. Let me put it in a box. This is our first result, a equal to 1 by 4. Now this I am going to put, this value I am going to put in this equation. In this equation also I can put, then it will be easy. So I am moving with the equation 1. Fine. Let's see further how to solve. So the value of a equal to 1 by 4 we got. Now we are putting this value. Putting the value in equation 1. Fine. So if we move with the equation 1, then the equation 1 was 4a plus 4b equal to 3. In this equation, in place of a, I am putting the value that is 1 by 4. So I am writing here 1 by 4. This 4 will be cancelled. So 1 plus 4b equal to 3. Nothing left means cancel means don't write nothing left. 1 will be always there as a factor. So dear student, 4b equal to 3 minus 1. So the value of 4b equal to 2. Therefore, b equal to 2 divided by 4. So it will be 1 half. So b equal to 1 half is the second value. Fine. As we got a equal to 1 by 4 and b equal to 1 half. Okay. Now the value of a and b we are going to put in the assumption. What we have assumed for that. In that we are comparing and we will find the solution for x and y. Let's see how to go with that. So the value of a equal to 1 by 4 and b equal to 1 half we got. So my dear student, as you know, we have assumed for this 1 upon 3x plus y equal to a we have assumed. And if you remember, then 1 upon 3x minus y equal to b we have assumed. Now in place of a and b, we are putting its the value. So here we will have 1 upon 3x plus y. What is 1 by? This is 1 by 4. So cross multiplication, here it will be 4. This is 3x. 4 1 ja 4. 4 equal to. So here I need to write here 3x plus y equal to 4. Cross multiplication. Therefore, this is our equation number 3. This is another equation we are gaining through that. Okay. So don't worry. Let's simplify. Same thing is here 1 upon 3x minus y. What is the value of b? 1 half. Therefore, cross multiplication, the another equation will become 3x minus y equal to 2. Let me call this is equation number 4, which is quite easy. Now, apply elimination method to solve this equation and see what can be the solution. Equation number 4 is 3 is this, equation number 4 is this. Now you can see if I eliminate, then I have to add plus y minus y will be cancelled. 3x plus 3x, that is 6x equal to 8. 4 plus 2 is 8. Therefore 6x equal to 8. Therefore x equal to 8 divided by 6. Agree? Therefore the value of x we got is 4 by 3. The simplification of 8 by 6 is coming 4 by 3. Fine. Now we are going to put this value x equal to 4 by 3 in equation number 3 now. Okay. X equal to 4 by 3 in equation number 3. And let's see what can be the solution for the y. So dear student, here one correction is there. You can see here I have written 4 plus 2 is 8. So I am correcting here. This is 6. Okay. This is 6 here. So here also it will be 6. So I am correcting. This is 6. So here 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6. Then of course it will be 1. Right? So the value of x we got is 1, right? So this value of x we are going to put in this equation number 3. Let's see what will be the solution for the y now. X equal to 1. Now putting this value in the value in equation number. The equation was 3x plus 4y equal to 3x plus y equal to. This was the. In that I am going to put the value of x1. So 3 1 plus 3 plus y equal to 4. That y equal to 4 minus 3. That y equal to. So finally the answer of x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, because these are the solution of the linear equations. All these sums are quite easy and important for the practice purpose. So do this type of question as a practice and keep the technique in a mind all the time. So it will be easy for you to solve any such a type of example of this chapter.